Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today is a day where we're going to go over my Ulta mini haul that I got a couple weeks ago. So I call it a mini haul because there's only like 4 or 5 items inside, but I really was excited to show everyone and share with everyone what I got. Definitely got some wipes handy because we're going to be doing a lot of swatches today. And I'm really excited to see this stuff in person. Obviously, I just opened it to check to make sure everything was intact, so I didn't have to contact customer service, which was a good thing. Everything came to me in one piece. So first thing I'm pulling out of here is from Juvia's Place, and it's I Love the Ice kit, which I was really excited about. And I was actually had this in my cart forever, and then it went to 50% off. So I had to pick it up for the 50% off. I think originally it was $25 and on sale for $12.50, so that's a great deal. So it comes with an eyeshadow palette and also a loose highlighter, which I have not swatched any of these yet, so I'm really excited to see, because Juvia's Place never disappoints for me. They're always really good pigment, really good quality in their formulas. So let's see, I've yet to try one of the loose highlighters, and this is Ice. The highlighter is called Ice. It goes with the kit. And let's just see what this looks like. I love a good highlighter. Okay, this is a pretty decent sized amount that they give you. It has a red lid here. Let's see. Okay, and they do have like a peel protector thing to prevent any kind of spillage when it is sent to you. So let me just get that off. I actually normally prefer like a less messy highlighter, but you know, oh, look at that. Wow. It's a beautiful, beautiful gold color. Wow. That is an amazing, it kind of matches my outfit a little bit. That's an amazing highlighter. I love it. So happy that I got it. Oh, look at my hand. It's just so pretty. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to get my arm all ready because we're getting ready to do some swatches of this beautiful palette here. So they always make sure it comes, look at all this packaging they put on there so that it gets to you safely. And this is I Love Ice palette. And here are the colors inside. Very beautiful, very like winter themed, perfect for this time of year. There is the first shade. Oh, and I just love the way these feel. So the lighter one was a little bit more powdery, but I feel like in lighter colors you do tend to see that. And then we have a couple. Oh, this one's definitely a glitter shade. So there is that. That is super cute. And let's see. This is the other matte in the palette. Just a little bit darker than this one here, but I like how it has like very similar color story to it, and there's like a marble color in here. We got to see what this marble color looks like. Okay, I'm liking it. I probably did get a little bit of sparkles in there for my other one, but that is a pretty color in there. And we're just missing one last color. We might as well swatch them all because there's only 6 of them. And this one almost has like a purple iridescent shine to it. You can't really see it that well on the camera, but I think this is a really cute palette, and it's not too dark, so it's not going to like scare a lot of people away. A lot of lighter colors, lighter blues, which I think is, and I do want to give a small disclaimer. If you hear my little man in the background, he is only 2 years old, and sometimes he makes noise, and I do apologize for that. But there is the first little kit that I had. I'm going to do a quick cleanup real quick before we get dived into the next stuff because we have lots of palettes, which I need a new palette organizer, not gonna lie. I love the Ice kit, ICE, and now we have I Love the Eyes kit. So this one was also 50% off in their sale, but this one, instead of including a loose highlighter, includes an eye primer for your eyeshadows, which I think is super cool, super unique, and looks like a pretty... Okay, it is pigmented. I do think it will be able to work for me though, because it's just you're putting it underneath your eyeshadows, so I don't think that's really going to be a big deal, except for if it was too dark of a shade. But to me it looks like an okay shade, pretty neutral. So there's that, and I also love the ombre packaging, really cute. So this one reminds me of more like reds. So let's see, because if I remember correctly, it's... Okay, wow, there is definitely blues in this, but there's reds as well. It's almost like a patriotic palette. Really pretty colors in here. We got 3 mattes, and it looks like 2 shimmers and a glitter shade. Let's swatch the glitter shade first. Wow, that is pretty. And let's see the shimmer shades here. Wow, loving that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then there's like an aquamarine shimmer shade in here also. Wow, look at that. Those are some pretty intense colors. Let's see the mattes in here. I'm just really curious to see. Okay, hello. I have to clean off my fingers a little bit. And then I have 2 more mattes that I want to get swatched. So I've noticed like a theme. We're going to have 2 shimmers, 3 mattes, and a glitter in these little palettes that we have, which I'm totally okay with. And I like how they put the shimmers to kind of complement the mattes in here. And this is a really crazy orange, but I feel like it would go good with this color here. Whoa. Yeah, that's not red like I thought it was. It's definitely orange, but very, very beautiful palette that we have here. Super excited to add this to my collection. And that glitter one is not wanting to come off. Okay. And I do believe this one is still on sale at Ulta. I think for $7 you can pick this up. And it's a Morphe Mickey Mouse Truth Be Bold Mini Artistry palette. So I was not really wanting to get, they have a big one on sale too for $16, but I wasn't really going to get that one because I've never tried the Morphe eyeshadow formula. I have a couple of their items that I have tried and I do enjoy them. So I thought, hey, what the heck, I'm going to give it a try. But I did opt for the smaller palette just in case I'm not a huge fan of the formula. So let's see. If I can get this open. Okay, we're just going to rip the box. I normally don't like to do that. My friend, she keeps everything in all the original packaging. I just, sometimes if I can't get it open, I'm not going to mess with it and I'll just rip it open. But I do like the packaging. We have almost like a watercolor looking Mickey Mouse, I would want to say. And then we have a 9-shade eyeshadow palette inside. And they do remind me of Mickey Mouse colors for sure. Really cute. We have some shimmers and some mattes in here. Okay, so let's try to get a close-up of this because there's some really cool details that I think that you guys would appreciate. Like they carved in the glove and the top white, and then they have Mickey shorts in the red and his little face in the black. I think that's a really cute, nice extra touch, which I do like that. And I like how the mirror has little Mickey in the corner there, so that's super cute. Let's get some swatches of this and see how this palette does with some swatches. Okay, that's really pretty. I really like that. And then let's see this red in here. Okay, it almost comes off as more like an orangish color on camera anyways, but it definitely looks red here in person. So I'm not sure if it's just something with my... the formula does feel like, I don't know how to describe, very soft to the touch, very almost creamy like to some of them. And I'm going to get this black. I'm not going to do all the colors in this palette, but just so we can get an idea. Oh, it's super pigmented. Yeah, this seems like it might be a pretty good palette. I'm really glad I picked this up for $7. It's not a bad deal at all. And this last one, I'm not even really sure. I might be the most excited about this one just because I feel like, you know, like when you pick up a palette, it's like picking up a good CD. If you don't like enough songs on the CD, it's sometimes not even worth picking up. Well, this next one here is like, I feel like all the colors speak to me and all the colors are my fave. So it's like I like all the tracks on the disc. So I'm super excited for this palette. And it's from ColourPop. It's Ticket to Dreamland palette. This one was on sale for, I do believe, $9, originally $18. So this one was 50% off as well. And it has some fun little names, like Fortune has some really fun names to the colors, like Fortune Teller in the cards, Trance, Funhouse, Vivid, Walking Dream, Step Right Up, Come One. So it kind of sounds like carnival-like thing. The packaging is a textured packaging, which I can appreciate all the small details that they put and the love they put into the packaging. Let's go ahead and get this baby open and see it in person because I have not yet. I don't even know if I opened this one yet. It's just so cute. And I have to show you guys the mirror because the mirror is like a carousel type thing. And look at all the colors in here. These are so cute, and you could get so many different kinds of looks out for this, like your everyday look. It has a lot of shimmers in here. But let's see. This is almost like I want to say glitter had a baby with shimmer. So it's like a good mix. It's not too much, not too granular but you do have some sparkle flakes in there. So just letting you know that if you do pick up this palette. Let's see this shade Vivid. This one looks so pretty. Whoa. I'm already super in love with this palette. Let's get a couple more of these shades. Fortune Teller looks kind of cool. Looks like a purple duochrome with like some blue shimmer in there. Gotta see that on the skin, and you can definitely tell that's a duochrome shade, but it looks really pretty on the skin there. And let's do a couple other ones. What about Funhouse? I want to see that one. That one is a matte, and it does seem like a really nice consistency when going on my finger anyways. And there is the matte. And let's do Trance, because why not? It's super dark, but it looks like a dark blue. Almost comes off of black, but look at all that shimmer in there. That is a pretty color. Wow. I am really impressed with these shades. I am in love with this palette. I think this is a really good investment. I don't know about everyone else, but I think the colors in here are absolutely amazing. And I'm not for sure, but if Ulta still has this on sale. I picked it up for $9 instead of 18, so good to know. But also too, ColourPop also has 30% off sales on their website quite often. So if you sign up for their emails, you can also be notified of that. And that way you can be the first to know on their sales if you're into that. But I really like ColourPop as a whole. My friend introduced me to them a few months ago, and I just can't get enough of them. They have terrific price points with wonderful formulas. What can you go wrong with that? Anyways, so that's everything that I had for this in particular video today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.